Hello students, welcome to this trade on woodwork technician carpenter. A woodwork technician, commonly known as a carpenter, is a skilled professional specializing in woodworking and carpentry. These individuals are essential in various construction and renovation projects where their expertise is crucial in crafting and installing wooden structures, components, and finishes. Carpenters work with a diverse range of materials, including different types of wood, composite materials, and other related products. In this session, we are going to learn about plan for making a desired modular kitchen cabinet. Objectives. Planning for making a desired modular kitchen cabinet involves a systematic approach to designing a functional, efficient, and aesthetically pleasing storage solution for the kitchen space. This process entails careful consideration of various factors, including space constraints, storage needs, design preferences, and budgetary constraints. By the end of this course, you will be able to space assessment and layout, storage needs and organization, material selection and durability, aesthetic elements and style, user-centric design. Planning a desired modular kitchen cabinet involves the consideration of various tools and equipment to ensure accurate measurements, precise design, and efficient workflow. Here's a brief introduction to some essential tools and equipment used in the planning phase. Graph paper or sketchbook, pencils, erasers, and pens. Measuring tape, computer or laptop for digital design work, reference materials, budget spreadsheet, notebook or planner, samples of finishing materials, online resources. Now, let us see the preparations needed for the plan and making the desired modular kitchen cabinet. Few points to remember before making a cabinet. Planning for a modular kitchen cabinet entails several crucial preparations to ensure a smooth and efficient execution. Firstly, meticulous measurements of the kitchen space are essential to accurately design the cabinet layout. Secondly, thorough research into various materials, finishes, and hardware options is necessary to select the most suitable components. Additionally, budget allocation and timeline setting are vital for project management and cost control. Detailed sketches or blueprints should be drafted to visualize the cabinet's design and functionality. It's also important to consider any electrical or plumbing requirements that may affect the cabinet's installation. Lastly, consulting with professionals or seeking advice from experienced individuals can provide valuable insights and guidance throughout the planning process. Task 1. Preparations needed for plan for making the desired modular kitchen cabinet. Clearly outline your specific needs and preferences for the modular kitchen cabinet, considering storage, style, and functionality. Determine a realistic budget for the project, accounting for materials, labor, and any additional features or accessories. Measure the kitchen space accurately, noting the location of doors, windows, and other fixed elements that may impact the layout. Gather information from various sources, creating a collection of images that represent your desired style. Evaluate the current kitchen layout, identifying any inefficiencies or areas for improvement in terms of functionality. If needed, consult with a professional kitchen designer or architect to gain valuable insights and expertise. Research and decide on the materials for cabinet construction, countertops, and finishes based on durability and aesthetic preferences. Gather specifications for any specific appliances or fixtures you plan to incorporate, ensuring they fit seamlessly into the design. Establish a realistic timeline considering ordering materials, construction, and installation. Summarize your requirements, preferences, and key features in a design brief for reference during the design process. Assess the existing lighting in the kitchen and plan for adequate task lighting, considering under cabinet lighting for better visibility. If the project involves relocating electrical outlets or plumbing fixtures, plan for these changes in the initial design. If sustainability is a priority, explore eco-friendly materials and practices for cabinet construction. Factor in your daily routines, cooking habits, and family lifestyle when planning the cabinet layout to enhance practicality. Now let us see the process for planning and making desired modular kitchen cabinet. Few points to remember before assessing kitchen cabinet materials and accessories. Exploring kitchen cabinet materials and accessories opens a realm of possibilities for enhancing both functionality and aesthetics in the heart of your home. Diverse materials like hardwoods, laminates, and metals offer unique characteristics in terms of durability, style, and maintenance requirements. Choosing between traditional or modern styles, as well as considering factors like color schemes and texture, can significantly influence the overall design ambience. Accessories such as handles, knobs, and hinges not only serve practical purposes but also contribute to the cabinet's visual appeal. Innovative storage solutions like pull-out shelves, lazy Susains, and drawer dividers optimize space utilization and organization within the cabinets. Understanding the diverse array of materials and accessories empowers homeowners to craft personalized and efficient kitchen space tailored to their lifestyle and preferences. Task 2. Kitchen cabinet materials and accessories. Referring to the drawing specifications is essential before embarking on the planning and design of the desired modular kitchen cabinet. A thorough understanding of the details outlined in the drawing is crucial for a successful execution. Once the drawing specifications are comprehended, calculate the required size of plywood for the cabinet, ensuring precision and adherence to the specified measurements. Additionally, determine the necessary quantity of sunmica for both the interior and exterior of the cabinet. Accurate calculation of cabinet basket and sliding rail. When selecting hinges for the cabinet, carefully choose the appropriate shape and size to ensure a seamless fit. Subsequently, cut the plywood according to the designated measurements, taking into account the specified quantity. Incorporate a well-suited handle for the cabinet and consider the ideal side for placement before fixing the hinges. Similarly, mark and cut to accommodate the sink, aligning with the drawing specifications. Take note of the granite size and color details to facilitate proper planning and coordination. Calculate the necessary amount of Fevicol and other adhesives, ensuring secure and durable construction. Evaluate the requirement for banding edge tape and meticulously note the size, type, and quantity of screws needed for assembly. For any glass components outlined in the drawing, calculate the appropriate size and select the suitable glass corner holder. Additionally, note the size and quantity of magnetic cabinet latches to ensure proper closure. Throughout the process, it is crucial to determine the most suitable site for various elements such as fixing the sink, fixing the hinges, and finalizing the placement of handles. This meticulous planning and attention to detail will contribute to the successful realization of the modular kitchen cabinet design. In this trade, we have learned how to do space assessment and layout, storage needs and organization, material selection and durability, aesthetic elements and style, user-centric design. I hope you all understood the plan for making the desired modular kitchen cabinet. Thank you, students, and let us meet in the next session. Bye.